In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva. Whether you're starting a new business, rebranding, or just want to create something unique, Canva is a fantastic tool for beginners and seasoned designers alike. It's user-friendly, versatile, and best of all, you don't need to be a professional designer to create something amazing. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Canva's website. Simply type in www.canva.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick process, and you can even use your Google or Facebook account to do so. Now that you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there, and you'll want to click on the Templates option. This is where Canva really shines, offering a plethora of design templates that you can customize to fit your specific needs. Once you've clicked on templates, you'll see a variety of categories to choose from. What we're interested in today is creating a logo, so go ahead and click on the logo category. This will present you with a wide array of pre-designed logo templates. These templates are professionally designed, and you can choose one that closely matches your vision. Now here's a little tip. If you want to start from scratch, Canva gives you the option to create a blank logo as well. This can be a great way to let your creativity shine if you have a specific idea in mind. Once you've found a template that you like or decided to start with a blank canvas, click on Customize this template. This will open up the Canva editor where you can personalize every aspect of your logo. You can change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand's identity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different elements until you find the perfect design. As you work, remember that simplicity is often key in logo design. A clean, straightforward logo is usually more memorable and works well across different mediums, from business cards to websites. Finally, once you're happy with your design, you can download it. Canva offers several file types including PNG and JPEG, which are ideal for logos. And there you have it, your very own custom logo designed in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Creating a logo can be a fun and rewarding experience, and with Canva, it's easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.